Okay, it's another unboxing. It's finally stopped raining. It's sunny, as you can see. I'm gonna spend this weekend bringing my orchids in, but this package arrived late last night from Carter Holmes, and I thought I would wait until this morning to unbox it because my daughter is off taking the PSATs, and so I can come into my orchid room without her complaining that I'm invading her privacy. And she's not taking the PSATs because she needs to take the PSATs. She's just taking the PSATs for fun, for funsies. So I had to get up really early and drive her over to it. The madhouse cars, and let's see if I can open this. Anyways, I have gotten back and thought I should open this and share what I got. Carter Holmes is doing a whole bunch of bench clearing specials. I've shown one already where I got the May Bly cross, and then, oh, this was much easier to open. Look, it's out already. And they decided to have another bench clearing special for, oh look, I like this, the tags aren't attached. These are bare root plugs. So this is what it is. It is Encyclia Tutti Frutti, Newberry Tutti Frutti, and which is Tempensis granatica. Granatica has spots, and they said that not all of them will have spots because of the seedling cross. Okay, I spoke too soon. I'm unable to pull the tape off on this or figure out where it starts. Here we go. And they just had too many. I guess they haven't sold, so they had like, I think 2-inch plugs and 3-inch plugs. I think I got the 2-inch plugs because Encyclia grow rather well for me, and that thumping sound, oh, it's Cupid, it's not Pinto, not the horror, that's Pinto. Cupid doesn't eat orchids, thank goodness. He is, however, large, and he looks a lot like Pinto. Cupid, can we move this way, honey? Come on. No, don't show the butthole to people. So they just basically, I guess, wrapped half and half. It's again, one of those things where you have to have a minimum order of 5. The picture that they showed of the plugs looked great. Oh, these look amazing. They said some of them would have brown tips, but oh my God. I can't believe it's like a plug tray with no medium. Okay, and it doesn't look, it just looks like, okay. Look at this new growth. Right here, look at the roots on this. Oh my God, and look, this one is even, look, it has an old spike. So this is flowering size. This is out of their plugs flowering size. I believe, and I think I got the 2-inch ones. You don't order it off their website. You mail like them directly and say, hey Bridget, I'd like to order this special. And then they charge your credit card on file. Yeah, that's how bad it is. They have my credit card on file. So here's the other one. Oh, this has got a little leaf. I don't want that. But these look at the pseudobulbs on this. Looks so nice. So what I thought I would do, my plan for these, I like the Encyclias that look like this, like Serena O'Neill looks like this without the spots. If you're wondering sort of what these will look like. And my plan was to bloom them once, keep the one with what I thought was the best flower, and then I would sell or donate the rest to the Illinois Orchid Society. So these extra ones may show up on my website like next year after I bloom them. And here's the other 3. So I just ordered 5, the minimum order, but I am, and one of these definitely has, I believe that's not a root, that's an old bloom spike right there. So, you know, these are definitely blooming size. So I'd like to bloom them out, see what I think of the flowers. And like I said, I will pick the one whose flower I like the best, keep that one, and then the other ones can find new homes. So this one's a little smaller, like this one's really big. Look at that, right? This one's, I mean, this is like a real 2-inch. This is like an overgrown 2-inch. They said a lot of these were ready to be potted up, and that is so true. So you too can basically write. I mean, they showed like this huge, like, I don't know, 4-10 plug trays full of these. So yeah, they had a 2-inch size and a 3-inch size. The 2-inch size was, I think, $9.95 a plug, and then maybe the 3-inch size was $15. I don't remember, but no, it's $1, so it's like $10.95 or something like that. Totally worth it if you want to get the 3-inch size. And I could be wrong, and I actually did get the 3-inch size, because I like basically just sent an email and said, hey, I want some. But most people don't want 5 of the same thing. But the nice thing about seedlings is that they said that not all of them have spots, and all the spot patterns, and some of them will have spots. So I'm hoping that one of these will have spots. I'm definitely keeping one with spots, and the ones that don't have spots will find new homes. Bench clearing special from Carter Holmes Orchids in South Carolina.